Welcome to the floor plan. This feature is broken down into two sections: the toolbar at the top, which controls high-level actions, and the panel to the right, which controls objects and more granular details. To name this floor plan, we'll go to the top left and click Untitled Layout. Then, type in the name of our floor plan and click Enter. If we click the drop-down next to the name, you'll find the ability to create a new floor plan, import one from a previous event, or delete the one you are working on. This feature supports using multiple floor plans at once, so if you create a new one or choose to import from a previous event, you can toggle between them in the menu here. Moving further over, you have zoom controls, undo or redo, delete, and the item library. We'll talk about the item library shortly, but there's one more thing we need to do before we start adding objects to the floor plan. Let's head over to background properties. If you'd like to work from a venue CAD drawing, you can upload that here and then set the scale so that objects will show up at the appropriate size in relation to the CAD drawing. To show or hide the uploaded file, you can click the checkbox next to the file name. If you want to work from a blank canvas, we recommend drawing a perimeter. You can also adjust the grid in this panel as well. Now that we have a framework to base our floor plan off of, let's head back to the item library. The item library is broken down into a few sections. You can add shapes, text boxes, tables, and objects. Let's add a table. Now that it's on our floor plan, you can duplicate it on a Mac by selecting Command-C to copy and Command-V to paste, or Control-C and Control-V if you are on Windows. To select a group of items, hold down Shift and then select the items. This will allow you to manipulate groups of items instead of just one at a time. With our group of items selected, we can align them, move them forward or backward on the canvas in relation to other items, or lock the position. If this was a shape and not a table, you would have the ability to adjust the size of the item as well. You can also customize the color or opacity. If we click out of our group of tables and select just one of them, we can name the table and adjust the seat count. Depending on what type of object you have selected, the adjustment options in the Details panel will change. Lastly, this side panel wouldn't be complete without a place to add notes to your floor plan. Let's navigate to a different floor plan so you can see what a completed version looks like. Remember, after you spend time putting a floor plan together for a specific event, Aura will automatically save it and allow you to import it to future events. And that wraps up our tutorial for the floor plan. Thank you for watching the Aura Explainer series.